Oh my, look at these Bissell Carpet Cleaners. These Bissells. Now these a Bissell vacuum. The Bissells. Look at these Sharks vacuums. Look at these 3 shark vacuums. And 4 shark vacuums. Shark vacuums. And a shark vacuum. Whack doctor. So show me what? That's whack doctor. Look at these Bissells steam ups. Look at these sharks. Look at these Bissells for my vacuums. Look at these shark vacuum. Ooh, here's a doubles vacuum. And the Hoover vacuums. Alright. Look at these sharks. And look at these shark vacuums. And the Bissell and Dyson. Look at the Hoover, Sharks, Dyson, and Dyson. You got 2 Dysons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got 9 vacuums. You finally get a 1 shark deal clean, 1 vacuum. And you finally get 2 vacuums. Look at this. And there it is. Look goes the 1-bed vacuum and the Bissell vacuum, shark vacuum, and the shark 3 vacuums. Like the sharks vacuums. Like the Dyson vacuum, and the Hoover Carpet Cleaners, and the Hoover vacuum, and the Bissell vacuum, and the Dyson vacuums. And that's the video, she said.